If your Hunter ceiling fan remote isn't working or you're setting up a new one, pairing is the key step that connects the remote to the fan's internal receiver. Most Hunter fans come pre-paired from the factory, but if you've replaced a remote or installed a new receiver, you'll need to sync them manually. The receiver is usually tucked inside the canopy above the fan and acts as the communication bridge between the remote and the motor. Start by cutting power to the fan using the wall switch or circuit breaker. Leave it off for at least 10 seconds so the receiver fully resets. Then restore power. From that moment, you typically have about 3 minutes to complete the pairing. If your remote uses dip switches, open the battery compartment and make sure the switch pattern matches the receiver exactly. For newer Hunter remotes with a pairing button, press and hold that button shortly after power is restored until you see a response. Stand within 10 to 20 feet of the fan with minimal interference. When pairing succeeds, you'll usually hear a beep, see the light blink, or notice the fan blades move slightly. If it doesn't work the first time, replace the batteries and repeat the power cycle process carefully.